What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have the DM009 here. This is courtesy of GearBest, and we're gonna do an unboxing of it real quick. So let's get right in here. Open this box up, see what we got inside. Got the blue alien on deck, but we don't need them this time. Slide all of that out. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got a 1080p camera. Wow. And we got some prop guards and a screwdriver down in here. A USB card reader there. We have an extra set of spare props. We got a power charging cable there. And this is the instructions manual. It says drone, 6-axis gyro. And the transmitter there, they went a little different with the transmitter colors. Looks a lot like the Simers transmitter. And here's the quad. And it feels pretty sturdy. Has different style props on it. Look like the tarantula props here. They're smaller, of course, but they seem like that type of prop, though. Let me see what's in here. I'm not sure, but it looks like we have 8.5mm motors driving this on a geared system. And that classic look of the DM007. So let's see if we have a battery. We have an on and off switch, and the battery is hooked up. We got the flashing lights there, blue in the front, red in the rear. That's awesome. Nice. So it does sit flat. So if you don't have the camera on, you can fly it without the landing legs. There are landing legs in here, I believe. Yes, they are in here. Let's pop this open real quick so we can see what it looks like with the landing legs on it. Install the landing gear real quick. And they just pop on like that. Let's see. Yep, they just pop on. No screws needed to install them. So, looks just like the other ones. Looks like the two-tone Space Ghost version that I did with the 007, the DM007. So, pretty nice. You guys can look forward to some flight footage of this thing. A morning fix, a night fix maybe, and ultimately a quick review or full review. The DM009 Conqueror, courtesy of GearBest. Thanks for watching.